Sony camera and Android phone wired transfer tutorial. Step 1. Connect the data cable. Use the Piufoto data cable to connect your camera and phone. Step 2. Camera settings. Turn off FTP transfer funk, Wi-Fi connect, and Bluetooth function. Manual mode. Find the USB connection mode on your camera and select MTP. Open Piufoto on your phone. Find Upload in the album you created. Choose Camera Wired Connection. And click Confirm. Select Upload Quality. And Manual Mode. Click OK. Allow Piufoto to access your camera by selecting OK. Connection successful. You can choose to upload a single photo, or click Multi-Select to choose multiple photos, or batch upload to upload all photos. Fully upload mode. Select Synced PC Remote. In Remote Shoot settings, change Still Ink, Save Dest to Dest plus Camera. Set Save Image Size to Original. Find the USB connection on your camera and select PC Remote. On the upload page of your phone, select Fully Upload Mode. Now, when you take a photo with your camera, it will automatically upload.